Okay, I first had this toy when I was 4-ish or 5. I think my grandparents bought it for me. I think I first saw it at my grandparents' house. Well, my mom put it up when I was sometime around 5 because she thought I was obsessed with it, not socializing with people. But my mom let me go back and get the toy out when I was 13, and I would play with it. When 14, I don't know what happened to the first toy. Then this toy I bought. This is the second copy I had, and I bought this when I was 24 last year. I'm still 24 this year. I'm gonna be turning 25 in a couple months. I had this toy. The first copy when I was up to 14 years old. I don't know what happened to it. Disappeared. I don't know what happened to it. Whether it's thrown away or not, or sold, or what happened to it. I don't know. Anyway, this toy is from ages 4 to 6. This is a great toy for especially kindergartners because it teaches you phonics and it's very reading stuff and blends and other things, and it has songs. I'm gonna make a couple separate videos of this toy. Okay, this is his eyes. This is his. I'm assuming this is his feet. This is his hand. This is open. This toy is called VTech Alphabet. The ready to read robot. This is a VTech toy. You press these buttons to open them. I may be a grown, almost 25.
Hello, how are you? Choose an activity. Time for some
I'm going to name the
music.
songs just in case you don't know the
Press a
songs.
button.
The first song is called the Alphabet Song. The next song is called My Bonnie Lies Over the Ocean.
Press a button.
Next song is called Camptown Races.
Press a button.
This is called Did You Ever See a Lassie?
Press a button.
This is called The Farmer in the Dell. The Farmer in the Dell.
Press a button.
The next song is called, it's a French song called Frère Jacques.
Press a button.
This is called Here We Go Round the Mulberry Bush.
Press a button.
This is called Hickory Dickory Dock.
button.
Next song is called Old King Cole. Old King Cole.
Press a button.
This is It's Raining, It's Pouring. It's raining, it's pouring.
Press a button.
This song is called Jack and Jill.
Press a button.
This is called Little Miss Muffet.
Press a button.
This is London Bridge is Falling Down.
Press a button.
Next song is called Mary Had a Little Lamb.
Press a button.
The next song is called Old MacDonald Had a Farm.
Press a button.
The next song is called Pease Porridge Hot.
Press a button.
The next song is called Polly Wolly Doodle.
Press a button.
The next song is called Row, Row, Row Your Boat.
Press a button.
The next song is called Sailing, Sailing.
Press a button.
This song is called O Shenandoah. O Shenandoah.
Press a button.
The next song is called Sing a Song of Sixpence.
Press a button.
The next song is called Skip to My Lou.
Press a button.
The next song is called Take Me Out to the Ballgame. Next song is called The Wheels on the Bus.
Press a button.
The next song is called Three Little Kittens.
Press a button.
The last song is called Pop Goes the Weasel.
Press a button.
Okay, that's all 26 songs. If you can't understand the names of the songs, what I'm saying, they should be in the, they're going to be in the description. Look in the description. Thank you. I'll be putting more posting more parts of this toy later. Bye.
See you later.
Please like this video and subscribe and comment if you wish, and ask questions for me in the comment section if you have any questions. Thank you. Bye.